Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Versa's cabin air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that significantly improves the air you breathe inside your car. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which is readily available, and potentially a Phillips head screwdriver for some models. No specialized tools are typically required, making this a perfect do-it-yourself project that takes about 15 to 20 minutes. First, move to the passenger side of your Nissan Versa and open the glove compartment fully. You'll see small damper arms on the inner sides. Gently pinch or push these inward to release them, allowing the glove box to swing down completely. This reveals the rectangular cabin air filter access cover, usually located directly behind where the glove box normally sits. It's typically a light gray or black plastic piece. Now, grasp the filter cover by its tabs and gently pull it towards you to release the clips and remove it. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter from its slot. Before discarding it, observe the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation. Take your new filter, compress it slightly if needed, and slide it into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow points towards the rear of the vehicle. Once the new filter is seated, snap the filter access cover back into position, ensuring all clips are secure. Then, reattach the glove box damper arms to their mounting pins and close the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance improves your interior air quality, reduces allergens, and helps your heating and air conditioning system operate more efficiently. Remember to replace it about once every 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.